great blessing to have these people in the Senate. The reason that I wanted to translate, and Shaykh Muhammad and I had actually discussed this many years ago, the Hamziya, and about bringing it into the English language. But the reason that I wanted to translate this language, to translate this language, I hope they can make it even smaller, yusaghiruni inshallah. The reason why I wanted to translate this is because Imam al-Busayri was living, radiallahu anhu, was living at a time not dissimilar to the time that we're in. It was a time of a lot of disunity in the Muslim world. People don't realize this, but Salahuddin al-Ayyubi, when he won the Battle of Hittin on July 4th, which was yesterday, in 1187. So this was the Independence Day for the Muslims. It was July 4th, 1187, yesterday, when Salahuddin al-Ayyubi defeated the Crusaders at the Battle of Hittin. It was not long after when Imam al-Busayri, in 1229, when he was only 18 years old, it was recaptured. A lot of people are unaware of that, but it was actually recaptured by the Crusaders again. He would live to see it under occupation until the year before he died, when the entire land of Palestine was freed from that occupation. But it was a time of disunity, and I think the secret of this man is that he understood something about the power of the love of the Prophet ﷺ and its relationship to unifying this community. Because one of the things that the Prophet ﷺ, one of his great gifts, was he was able to bring all of these tribes together. Tribes that had traditional animosities. When he came into Medina, the Aus and the Khazraj had been enemies for a long time. They had poems that they recited about their earlier trials and tribulations. And when they brought the Prophet ﷺ to Medina, he united these two great Yemeni tribes from Kahlan, and he brought them into a unity that was amazing, to the point where they really genuinely loved each other. Raghib Isfahani says, when you have love, you have no need of justice. When there's love, you have no need of justice. And we're living in unjust times, but when love is there, and when the Muslims, when they love the Prophet ﷺ, then they love the community of the Prophet. They love his people. They care about his people. This is the ummah of the Prophet. And we have two aspects of this ummah, what we call al-ummah al-Muhammadiyah. The ummah of da'wah and the ummah of istijaba. And many people forget this. They forget the